Next, choose your preferred export format. Once everything is set, you can now start generating IDs automatically. The processing time may take only a few seconds or minutes depending on the amount of data inside the CSV file. After the export is complete, open the output folder for the front IDs. There you will see all the generated IDs created quickly using the script. Before starting the ID generation process, make sure all required folders are properly prepared and organized. You should have folders named CSV, Files, Output, Photos, and QR Code. If your system supports it, you can also include a barcode folder. The CSV folder contains all the student information and data that will automatically be placed into the ID layout. Inside the Files folder, you'll find the PSD templates or ID designs used for bulk ID generation. The Output folder is where all finished and exported IDs will be saved automatically. The Photos folder stores the student pictures that will be used for each ID. Lastly, the QR Code folder contains the generated QR codes for every student, usually provided or connected to the school database. To ensure the automation works correctly, the layer names in Photoshop must exactly match the header names in your CSV or spreadsheet data. Any differences in spelling, spacing, or capitalization may cause errors during the generation process. Additionally, the photo file names inside the image folder must correspond exactly to the values indicated in the assigned data column or code field. Keeping the file names and data entries consistent is essential for accurate automatic photo placement. Since this is a back ID design, it's possible that no image will be required. That's why the photo and QR code sections are set as optional. As you may notice, the photo and QR code layers are currently hidden by default. You can simply enable or add them anytime depending on your preferred design or project requirements. Now, this is the main highlight of the video. This is where we'll demonstrate how to export IDs using the custom UI script I created for Photoshop. The script is already prepared. All we need to do is place it inside the Photoshop scripts folder so it can function properly. It is also compatible with older Photoshop versions, including 2000s releases. Once the script has been added to the Photoshop script path, simply restart Photoshop by closing and reopening the application to properly load the script. After that, open your PSD ID templates, whether it's the front ID or back ID design. To access the script, click on File, Scripts, then locate and select Bulk ID Generator. Once the Bulk ID Generator is open, the custom UI panel will appear. You will see several input fields and browse options such as CSV file, photo folder, QR code folder, output folder, file format selection, generate button. Simply browse and select the structured folders containing your data and images. The file name column refers to the name that will be assigned to each exported file. Each file name must be unique to prevent files from being overwritten or replaced during the export process. Next, choose your preferred export format. Once everything is set, you can now start generating IDs automatically. The processing time may take only a few seconds or minutes depending on the amount of data inside the CSV file. After the export is complete, open the output folder for the front IDs. There you will see all the generated IDs created quickly using the script. Now let's do the same process for the back ID. We'll use the same script again. Just open Bulk ID Generator, browse the required fields, Since the back ID design does not contain an image, we can simply remove the photo and QR code input fields from the script interface. However, if your design template includes images or QR codes, you can still enable and use those fields as needed. That's why these options are designed to be flexible and completely optional depending on your ID layout or project requirements. Then click Generate IDs. After a few seconds, check the output folder and you'll see the exported back IDs ready to use. As you can see, the system is very easy and convenient to use. So what are you waiting for? Get yours now using the link below. Thank you very much for watching.